There is a fifth dimension beyond that which is known to man. It is the middle ground between light and shadow, between science and blind assumption, and it lies between the pit of man's fears and the pinnacle of his knowledge. This is the dimension of opening eyes. We call it the label reading zone. Hello everyone, today I'm here to talk to you about all of the hidden toxins that are hiding in things that you use every day. Allow me to disillusion you. Take this shampoo for instance. It contains sodium lauryl sulfate. Sodium lauryl sulfate, basically a foaming agent that has been linked to many different cancers. It also contains synthetic fragrances, which can disrupt hormones, and many people are sensitive to this ingredient labeled fragrance, which could be hundreds of different things. Other toxins it could contain include triclosan, polysorbates, polyethylene glycol, and potassium sorbate. Studies link triclosan to a decrease in thyroid hormones, an increase in antibiotic resistance, which no one wants, as well as tumors in studies with mice. So, that's gotta go. Toothpaste. In many toothpastes we have fluoride, which many people use to strengthen teeth, but there can be an overdose of fluoride, which actually causes the teeth to get weaker. The condition is known as fluorosis. It discolors or spots the enamel, and it affects 41% of young adults today. So, you know, with fluoridated water supplies, do we really need to be adding and just overdosing on fluoride? Some toothpaste, as a foaming agent, also contains sodium lauryl sulfate, which, like we talked about, is linked to some cancers. It was originally used as a floor cleaner. It's known to cause microscopic tears in the mouth, which can lead to canker sores. Sodium lauryl sulfate is also the main active ingredient in antifreeze, and like we're putting that in our mouth. It's, you know, to add to the many wonderful things that sodium lauryl sulfate does, it can cause damage to the liver and heart and central nervous system. So I'm getting a different toothpaste. Laundry detergent is extremely important for keeping our clothes clean, but what's in your particular laundry detergent? One thing that you will not see on a laundry detergent's label, because it isn't an ingredient, is 1,4-dioxane. Now 1,4-dioxane is a possible carcinogen, and the EWG, they rate 1,4-dioxane as 8 for its toxicity. As I said, it's not an ingredient, it's just a byproduct of some of the ingredients of laundry detergents. Polyethylene type chemicals that contain the suffixes oxynol and eth may be contaminated by 1,4-dioxane. So if you avoid any of the polyethylenes with the suffix oxynol or eth, you should be avoiding 1,4-dioxane. Surfactants are very important in laundry detergents. They help the detergent to clean your clothes really well. However, a lot of surfactant chemicals are hazardous. Surfactants come in 3 categories: natural surfactants, naturally derived surfactants, and synthetic or petroleum-based surfactants. Sometimes naturally derived surfactants can be toxic and known carcinogens though, so be careful with that. Sodium lauryl sulfate that we've been talking so much about is a naturally derived surfactant. So synthetic or petroleum-based surfactants obviously are made from chemicals and like petroleum. So phenol is a toxic chemical that is used as a surfactant. Many people are sensitive to it and may have reactions ranging from very light to very severe. And it can damage our central nervous system, liver, or kidneys. It also generates harmful phenoxyl radicals. Nonylphenol is outlawed in Europe because studies have found that it stimulates the growth of breast cancer, and no one wants that. Also, alkaphenol compounds cause damage to DNA and sperm structure in mammals. These have some contamination concerns with the environment. So guys, really make sure when you're shopping for detergent that you make sure it doesn't have any toxins that are causing harm to your body or any things that could react with each other and cause a toxin, like 1,4-dioxane. Dish soap! Dish soap, that wonderful, wonderful thing that's super safe that everyone just gets on their hands and like they're out there putting it on ducklings because it is so safe. Well, don't just assume that because it's dish soap it's safe. So when you use something with phosphate and that's like going back into the water supply, you know, mainly it's an environmental concern. It can be hazardous for us to consume and for marine life to consume. And we would like to have healthy rivers and stuff because fish are friends and food. So DEA or diphenylamine, MEA, monoethanolamine, and TEA, triethanolamine. These 3 chemicals have been studied to disrupt hormones in the human body. There is a risk of also getting too much 1,4-dioxane toxin from these DEA, MEA, and TEA. Formaldehyde, which I'm sure y'all know is not something you should be touching all the time. It's a known carcinogen. Sometimes it's added along with other preservatives and like slowly released to prevent bacteria contamination. Too much formaldehyde is not good for your body, so I gotta get some new dish soap. Alright guys, here we go. Wipes. And not just any wipes, I'm talking about, you know, those big brand name wipes that start with like a C or an L that are so great for, you know, killing 99% of bacteria and things like that, which is very good. Like, I'm not a big fan of bacteria. Most wipes, such as the ones that start with like a C and then an L and then an O, they contain quaternary ammonium compounds known as quats. These quats sometimes can trigger asthma, allergies, or other health concerns. So if you're prone to that, be careful And here are just some of the things that disinfectant wipes can contain. Benzalkonium chloride, benzethonium chloride, alkyl dimethyl benzyl ammonium chloride, alkyl dimethyl benzyl ammonium chloride, and it kind of just goes on and on. So, yeah, this has been the label reading zone. I hope you all aren't too disillusioned, but I hope you are disillusioned enough to take notice of the things that you're using on your body and on your skin every day. Because your skin is your largest organ. Your skin absorbs things like into your bloodstream so quickly too. Many different things. So I just want you guys to be safe, and there's a lot of great companies out there that sell, you know, dish soap and laundry detergent and shampoo that are free from many of these harmful toxins. You know, Young Living is one of them. Like their toothpaste is fluoride free, so we're not helping with the fluoride overdose. And none of their products have sodium lauryl sulfate, so you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, I just hope you guys can take control of your health, take control of what comes into your house, and take control of your family's health by making sure that these toxins aren't on your skin on a daily basis. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because next week we're gonna have the label reading zone part 2. So, please tell me what you guys thought of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and tune in next time where we'll talk about all-purpose cleaner, candles, and dryer sheets, and what exactly these things might contain. So I'll see you guys next time. Okay, I'm gonna try to say this. Let's toss. Studies link triclosan to a decrease in thyroid hormone. I can't open the package, hold on. I'm so glad I never do anything live on YouTube because I've gotta go find scissors.